You watching your best friend, Crystal J.
That fit you wearing. You gotta live muy caliente every time you walk by. It's Amor Allure, Amor Allure. What's that you wearing? That fit you wearing. You gotta live muy.
What's up? Welcome to my channel. You already know it's about to be some dope content that you about to discover here on Amor Allure channel with your girl Crystal J. So don't click off this video, subscribe, let's get into it, and welcome to my channel. And if you haven't already joined my channel, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and let's get right to it. My videos are always short and sweet and right to the point. Ain't that's what y'all love? That's what I love. Let's get to it. What's up? This is an iPhone Canva hack. Yes, iPhone. So if you have an Android, unfortunately this video would not be for you unless you are converting to Team iPhone. If you're not converted to Team iPhone, please click off this video. And if you're still going to watch, thank you for the support. I'm not throwing shade because I too still have an Android that I use for my business phone, and my iPhone is for my personal use because I love iPhone. But let's not talk about that. Let's get into this video. So do you guys know you can have dope ass backgrounds when you're live on Instagram? Yes, if you have an iPhone, you can do that. You're capable of that. I wish they had this feature for Android too, but they just don't. But you can have a dope background, or you can even have a video playing in your background. And why not create it for your brand and make it more dope? So right here, you go to Canva. The size of your background should be, I'm going to put the measurements in the video. You go to Canva, you go to and you click Instagram story or TikTok story or Snapchat story. It doesn't matter. That is the measurements. I think it's 1080 times 1920. And the little square is where your picture will be at when you're live. You will be right there. I actually made this square too big, so I'm gonna make it smaller. But anyway, so what you see me doing right now, I am looking for some animated circles because if you did watch my Amor Allure relaunch party, these were the circles I used in my all of my videos. Honestly, I'm all about making sure my brand is staying consistent and my colors and my aesthetic. So I'm using that. So if you know me, you know I love the phone, so I'm gonna add a phone. And in that phone, what I love about this hack that I'm showing you guys, I can literally have a video playing, and in the video it's gonna be playing, it's gonna be promoting my website. Like I'm gonna be typing in my website and having people click on it, you know. Because when I went live, this particular time I used this, it was to promote my website. So you can use this to promote anything, or you can just use it to be that bougie friend. But y'all all know I'm all about the marketing and the branding side as I grow my business. But if you find this video helpful, please comment below and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, because you see I'm dropping nothing but dope ass content. Dope, like dope. I showed you guys how to get a free banking account. I showed you guys how to get your GIF account verified. I've showed you guys so much how to create GIFs. Like, if you haven't subscribed yet, you're crazy. You're just crazy as hell. But please subscribe to my channel. I drop a new video every Monday at 1:30 Eastern Standard Time, Atlanta time, the best time. And don't forget, every Monday at 7 o'clock Eastern Standard Time, I go live on my podcast called The Bedroom Talk Show, hosted by your girl Crystal J, where I talk about a lot of things. And if you haven't checked that out, please do. And if you haven't already done it, please don't forget to go shop at www.amorallure.com. Yes, don't forget to shop at www.amorallure.com. And I'm going to drop this Canva template below, and if you love it, please don't forget to holler at me or cash at me, tip me, whatever. But if you like my content, for real, comment below. I need to know. Like, I need to know. I just need to know. But anyway, thank you for watching my video, and you getting this template for the free ski.